What's up guys? So I've had 4 days off, I'm on the 3rd, and I've done literally nothing but edit. So I went out the other day riding, but it was night time, it was pretty much midnight when we went out riding. There won't be a video of that. Yeah, I've literally done nothing but edit to try and catch up with these videos. It's been mad, it's been a lot of work, but the video you're now watching, I edited, when will this come out? It's Monday today, this should come out Wednesday, and then I've edited another video for next Wednesday. So I'm catching up, I'm getting there. I've still got, I think, 3 or 4 videos more to edit, but that will have to be during the next week, because I'm dead. I'm literally dead. But yeah, it's been good. The Instagram shout out for today is this dude. Please, as I always say, go follow him and spam him some love. If you want your own shout out for Instagram, hit me up on Instagram. Send me a little picture of either you watching my videos or your bike or you, anything. Doesn't matter, I'll chuck it in. That's pretty much it. Tomorrow, I don't think I'm going to do any editing. I might do a little bit at night. I'm just going to go out and have a break, because I love editing and I love this kind of work, but it drains you sat at your desk for, God, Sunday, I was sat at my desk, I think 12 hours, and it ain't good for you. And the really annoying thing is, now that we're at this time in the UK, it gets darker like 3 or 4 o'clock. You feel like you've wasted the whole day, but I know I haven't. Deep down I know I haven't, because this will bring entertainment from some few people, and I enjoy doing it. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to hit the gym later on, have some food, and yeah, that's just it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, smash that like button. A lot of people there's a big spike in likes that I'm really enjoying, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. It's like 80% of you that watch these videos aren't subscribed, so all you got to do is free to make an account and subscribe. People get scared because they hear the word subscribe, and with Netflix nowadays they think, oh, I'll pay £5 a month or whatever. It's completely free, you just click the button. As long as you've got an account, click the button, and it's free to make an account as well, so you're sorted. Anyways, it's an off-road video and lots of music and stuff, so enjoy it. Peace. I got such a muddy ass. It just wheel spins.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air. In West Philadelphia, born and raised, on the playground is where I spent most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all shooting some ball outside of school, when a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air."
Still have my horn? Ow. Oh god damn, I'm muddy. Heck is that? I missed.
I might link my ting from barking. 7 AM in the morning. She's calling, I'm yawning. She's jarring, no stalling.
Oh, he is towing him. I thought he was. Yeah, it is. I love off-roading. I've always wanted to get into it properly, and I want to join a group with a couple of guys and hit some lanes with some broskies, but because it's always safer to go with more people. Like if I fell off and broke my leg or something, I am trapped. I am stuck there. Like, yeah, I've got you guys to talk to, but you ain't gonna come save me, you know what I mean? Ooh, got a sketchy there. Like it looks like a really crappy day, but it's not actually that cold. I've got thermal on. I mean, I'm quite warm actually. The thermals obviously make a difference, but it's just not that chilly. Oh my god. Oh, I'm such on tippy toes. Whee! Have a little bit of a clean through here. Right, you know what? Let's just go for it. No stopping. Straight standing up. Let's do this thing. The problem with UK motovlogging is nobody wants to see this kind of stuff. Nobody wants to see lots of mud and crap. But this is what our lanes look like pretty much 9 months, actually pretty much 12 months out of the year. It's just mud, rain, water, puddles, crap, all the... down. Oh, I got my leg. Oh, we're down. Oh, just hit the rut. I'm gonna have to sort out my wheel. I ended up indicating. Oh, crashed my f***ing knee. There, the bike's fine, look. We're just hitting mud. Steering's off. Let's get the kickstand down. Oh, now to check the best thing. Yeah, I caught the crash on camera. Lovely doubly. So why is the horn not working? Yeah, I got absolutely soaked. Right, let's kick this mother... Which way is it? It's... Is that off? That's straight. Oh yeah, it's off. That's about... that might be a bit too much, actually. That's about straight. Oh, that'll be alright. It's still good. Right. Back off we go. There's the first crash. Hey! Let's light it. First crash out the way. Done and dusted. Wow, look at that house. That's all private. Can I go? This looks like someone's house. How have I ended up at someone's house? This was a byway open to all public. Just gonna turn around and go back the way I came. Through the puddle.
You ain't making money like we know, done. You ain't making money like we know, done.